Welcome to EHS online courses. Our today's video is on gas cylinder statutes. What is a gas cylinder? As per Rule 2.23 of the Gas Cylinder Rule 2016, gas cylinder or cylinder means any close metal container having a volume exceeding 500 milliliters but not exceeding 1,000 liters intended for the storage and transport of compressed gas, including any LPG containers/CNG cylinder fitted to a motor vehicle as its fuel tank but not including any other such container fitted to a special transport or undercarriage and includes a composite cylinder. However, the water capacity of cylinder used for storage of CNG, nitrogen, compressed air, etc. may exceed 1,000 liters up to 2,500 liters provided the diameter of such cylinder does not exceed 60 centimeters. Schematic diagram of gas cylinder. The main parts of the gas cylinder are: 1. Cylinder cap, protects the cylinder valve. 2. Valve hand wheel, used to open and close the cylinder valve. 3. The valve packing nut, contains a packing gland and packing around the stem. It should not be tampered with when used in conjunction with diaphragm-type valves. 4. Pressure relief device, permits gas to escape if increased unsafe pressures are attained. 5. Valve outlet connection, various type of connections are provided to prevent interchange of equipment for incompatible gases, usually identified by Compressed Gas Association, CGA. 6. Cylinder collar, always hold the cylinder cap, except when regulating equipment is attached to the cylinder valve. 7. Valve outlet cap, protects the valve thread from damage and keep the outlet clean. It is not used universally. 8. Specification number, signifies that the cylinder conforms to the specification. 9. Cylinder serial number, for information. 10. Date, for initial hydrostatic testing. 11. Manufacturer mark, for information. What are the statutes/standards in India to deal with gas cylinder? The Gas Cylinder Rules 2016. The Gas Cylinder Rule 2016 govern the handling of compressed gases in India. The scope of the Gas Cylinder Rule 2016 is to prescribe the requirement of license for filling any cylinder with compressed gas, or to possess a cylinder filled with compressed gas. The technical information to be furnished to the authority to enable them to issue the license. The validity period of license. The condition of renewal of license. It also lists the safety features to be installed in the cylinder to be used, the safe practices to be adopted during filling, the transportation and use, etc. Bureau of Indian Standard, BIS, has issued a number of standards pertaining to the design, transportation and handling of compresses gases. It is as follows. The specifications of color codes for industrial gas cylinders, non-medical, are dealt in IS 4379. Specification for LPG are dealt in IS 4576. The test methods of LPG are dealt in IS 1448. The flame-proof electrical fittings to be used in the filling areas is as per specification of IS 2148. The methods for hydrostatic stress testing are dealt in IS 5844. Periodical inspection interval for gas cylinders in use are dealt in IS 8868. The filling, inspection, testing, maintenance and use of portable steel cylinder are dealt in IS 8198. We will go through two important statutes requirement. 1. Color coding of gas cylinder. 2. OSHA and the Compressed Gas Association, CGA, requirement on cylinder valve threading. What is color coding of gas cylinder? The gas cylinder color code is indicative of the gas contained in the cylinder. The gas cylinder color code system is designed to provide an instant visual cue identifying the contents for practical and safety reasons. The cylinder is painted with appropriate identification colors specified in IS 4379 for industrial cylinders, IS 3933 for medical cylinder. The gas cylinder color codes also help prevent fuel gas, like acetylene, accidents that could result in fire or explosion. Gas cylinder color coding helps in identification of gas, property, from large distance. Color coding is very important for emergency personnel. All gas cylinders shall be painted externally in accordance with table, to provide means for visual identification of the gaseous contents. The color identification shall consist of a ground color and color bands. The width of the color band shall be at least 0.25 d, where d is the outside diameter of the cylinder shell. When two bands are given, the red band or the blue band shall be placed next to the valve fitting and the yellow band shall be placed between that band and the shell color of the cylinder. Color identification of gas and gas mixtures. Cylinder containing gases or gas mixtures for which exclusive identification shall be color marked in accordance with table. The red band shall be placed next to the valve fitting and the yellow band shall be placed between the base and the shell color of the cylinder. No person shall in way interfere with or change the color painted on a gas cylinder. We will go through the OSHA and the Compressed Gas Association (CGA) requirement. Cylinder valves and threads are designed differently to prevent interchangeability with gas systems and equipment. This is one of the most important safety practices in the gas industry. For instance, if a used acetylene regulator were allowed to be assembled to a full oxygen cylinder, the result would be a catastrophic fire/explosion with the possibility of severe injuries and/or death to personnel in close proximity. We will come with more educational EHS videos. Till then, thank you. Be safe.